Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my upgraded craft room. I'm not entirely done with the room, but it's like our second. Sorry for the noise, my nephew's behind the camera playing with his toys. But my room, it's the second dining room area, and it's not really a room, I guess you could say, because it's like connected to the living room and like it's just out in the open. But yeah, so I still want to paint it. I want to like get rid of my mom's furniture, like her decor, you know, and add a little touch of mine. But I do want to paint it. So hopefully I can soon. But yeah, so I'm not done. So this is just for now. So this is just like temporary, I guess. I don't really have like a craft room or any of that sort. So it kind of sucks because I was originally supposed to have it in the garage, but it's so hot to have my stuff in the garage. And I know that the heat can mess up like just like I think the weather in general, like the heat, the cold, all that can mess up like my stuff. So I decided to come back in here. But yeah, hopefully one day I can have my own room, like my own craft room and everything. But for now, this is what you guys get to see. I actually really like it. But yeah, so this is basically it. Like, it's really small, but I like it. And like I said, I really want to paint it, but I want to get like a rug for my area. So that will be down the line. Hopefully I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't want it to be too long, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. So this is an overview of how it looks. It's kind of coming together, not really, but I want to show you guys. So starting from this side, I decided to put my printer on this end and then my heat press over here. They each get their own table because they do take up a lot of space. And then I put it where the outlet's at, and then there's another outlet over here, but I don't connect that one because of the kids. Like, if it's connected, you can easily switch it on and it starts heating up, so I'd rather just connect it when I have to use it. And then this is just there for decor. I do have my mats hanging here. I used to have my desk on this side, that's why I have them here. And I haven't moved them, so I'm just keeping them there for now. I don't know where to put them, I guess. And then I have this scale that I bought off of Amazon. I got it to weigh like my Starbucks cups and everything, and I also got this storage organizer from Michaels. I think it was on sale for $29.99, I can't remember. And then I also have this storage cube I got at Kmart for $40, I believe. It was on sale. And then I have my little calendar and then my frame, and yeah. So let me show you guys what I have in my drawers. So here I keep thumbtacks. I use these as well. So I use these for my paper flowers, and I have a few because I got these at Michael's, but then on Amazon they actually sell them like in a bigger pack, so I got it. And then I have paper clips, staples, like these flashcard thingies, what are these called? Safety pins I used for backup as well. And then I have just like the labels, and I put a sticker here that I made. More labels that I usually have, and then just some paper. These also I use for my flowers or anything that I want to hang. Paper clips, more staples, just the basics that I need for anything that I use, I guess. And then I just have color pencils, pens, erasers, crayons, all that good stuff in here. And then all the glues are in here. So I bought a lot of these because I remember they were like on sale for 50 cents or something. So they work good for when the kids are over. I bought these at Dollar Tree, and then I just have like adhesive spray, this adhesive too that I use like for the invitations that I made, so I don't have to use the glue gun. And then I just have some plastic, some labels I guess, and then just like miscellaneous things like rulers, sharpeners, things that I use like when making stuff. Here I have just scraps of vinyl, HTV. Oh no, this one's not HTV, but I know I have some in there. And then those are just scraps. This, I just have my planner in here, and then 2 clipboards. Here I just have a bunch of glitter cardstock, and then just like regular scrapbook paper that I just ripped. But just a bunch of glitter cardstock. They're basically scraps. Here I have all my templates, and then printable sticker paper, the HTV, like printable, transfer, whatever, for like shirts. I have more templates in here for flowers, and then I keep all my receipts, and then I just have folders, like extra folders that I use. And then so here, as you can see, I have all my cardstock paper, different colors. Before I got these, I had them all separated, but I decided to, because I found these at Dollar Tree and they're actually like really good, and I decided it would be best if I combined this just because I don't have a lot of the browns and stuff. So I what would you say, like I minimized it into just 6 of these so that I could use the bottom 3. And then if you're wondering, these are also like the glitter cardstocks that didn't fit in there. So I just put them in here for now. And then I have this cardstock, just regular computer paper and photo paper. And then in here I have just a bunch of extra, like right now I just have these tumblers. I have a wine cup that I had made, and then the beer mugs that I have in there. I don't know. Oh, here I have frames that I make. Another frame that I has already been ordered, but she still hasn't figured out what she wants in the middle, so I just have it in here. And then I have these pouches that I'm also going to customize if anybody wants. And this one is empty for now. I haven't decided yet. Okay, so for now I just put this. I'm supposed to have a sleepover with my niece, and I just put in the canvases and the paint in here for now. We will be using the paints and stuff, so I'll probably put them in one of these. And then this will be another storage for any other stuff that I buy, because I did buy some tumblers and wine tumblers, so this will probably be filled up with that as well. And then I have this. This is super old. I think I used this for my makeup before I even used it for crafting. But basically, what I have in here is just glue, sticks, yeah, basically glue guns, these gloves, and then the adhesive spray, glue sticks, and that's literally all I have in there. And here I have stapler, hole punch, some tape, and then more tape, hole punch, a bunch of staplers. Down here I just have a bunch of, well, I have yarn, and then just a bunch of ribbon that I use for like parties and stuff that I've kept over time because they do come in handy, as you can see. And then moving on, so here I got this teal cart from Michaels, and I just cleaned it out and I put all my vinyl in there. I literally just organized all this yesterday. Sorry. So yeah, so I'm still not done. I'm still making changes and stuff, but I basically have bags here, the little poppy thingy, I don't know what it's called, bubble wrap, there you go. And then I have a bunch of transfer paper. Well, it's like contact paper, but I use it for transfer paper. I have these shipping bags, just a bunch of like USB control, just a bunch of that type of stuff. And then I have this because, again, for my niece and I, we're having a sleepover, so we're going to be making lipstick with this and Vaseline. So that's what I have here. I'm obviously going to fix it, but it's just temporary for now because I haven't figured it out. And then moving up here, I have markers for my whiteboard, just like miscellaneous stuff. I have this hanger because when I make the shirts I like to hang them after. And then this is the Teflon sheets. Is that what they're called? I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I use these for my heat press. And then I made this cup today. Really cute. Rude.
I'm sweaty and I'm sweaty. Where's the foodie?
And then I have pens here and pencils, markers for my Cricut to make like invitations and stuff, and then just Cricut accessories, scissors, and that's basically all I have here. Moving over here, this is where all the magic happens. So this is my board, and then I just have a TV there, my machine, my laptop, and then things I'm working on. I'm not going to show you the invitations because they do have the address and I can't cover it right now. But I made this for my nephew's party. They're chip bags and they're pretty cool. So hopefully I can make some more. And then we'll move down to here. I don't have a lot like I said, but I do have quite a few things. I'm a hoarder. So all here, well, these are my glitter vinyl, and then I just have a bunch of blues of vinyl sheets, and then here is all the greens, and then I have a bunch of green sheets. If you're wondering, these are from, the sheets are from Crafty. Is it Crafty HTV? I'll link it down below because they have like some really good sales for vinyl. So that's where I get all this. And then these I believe are from Cricut, so you can get it off of Cricut.com, Michaels, anywhere where they sell Cricut like accessories and stuff. These as well, I believe these are Cricut. I don't know if these are, but I think they are. I don't know actually. And then we have all our yellows here and oranges, and then here I have all my reds, again Cricut. This I believe I got off Etsy, and then just a bunch of reds, dark reds, wine, all that good stuff. Here we have gold, so Cricut, and then this is from that website that I told you guys about, but it comes with a lot. Ay, my cajon got stuck, you guys. Okay, so moving on this side. Ay. So I have this one. I couldn't decide on what colors to put, so I just did pinks, purples, and then this I had ordered off of that same website that I told you. It's rose gold, and then obviously Cricut. This one I got off of, I think, Etsy. I'm not sure. And this is Cricut. These are two, and then I just have like the coral, it's like a coral or neon color, I don't know what it is. Just a bunch of pinks and purples. And then this one is a bunch of grays, silver, all that good stuff. This is white. Got this off of Cricut, and these two I just got. And then these are white that came with the packs, the other sheets, but I ordered extra of white and black because those are the most commonly used colors. So I have matte black, the shiny black, and then just these two sheets, and then these are the stencil sheets that you can use, and then I have transfer tape. This is just a bunch of HTV, so basically any heat, anything that I use for like to make shirts and stuff. But yeah, I don't really have a lot of this, that's why I kept it all down here. And yeah, this is an overview of it all. I'm still working on my craft room, but I want to paint it and then take my mom's decorations down and put some flowers. So I still have this mess that I need to clean up and that, but I set it aside because I'm basically done cleaning, I guess you could say, for now, until I get more stuff where I want to organize it differently. But that's pretty much it.